Well, folks, we are very excited, aren't we, darling?
I am so excited.
Yes.
I didn't sleep last night.
Because this is our first night of our trip to Ireland, our 2026 Ireland tour. And we're only really a couple of hours away from home tonight, aren't we? We're just outside Stoke on a little Caravan and Motorhome Club CL called Luzlow campsite, aren't we?
We are.
Yeah.
I've been ready since Monday.
You've been quite excited, haven't you?
Might have been.
Yeah, and every day you've put more in the van, haven't you?
Yes.
Just as well we upgraded the payload, really, because we are full to the gunnels with all manner of stuff.
But if we'd gone on Monday, it wouldn't have been a problem. I just got excited.
And we're having onion rings for dinner, aren't we?
Well, only because I had them in the freezer at home. And we're not allowed to have anything for the ferry, so I didn't go shopping. It just seemed nonsense.
Well, you're allowed to have stuff, but obviously you're going to have to turn the fridge off. We're going to have to turn the gas off to the fridge, aren't we, when we go on the ferry? We're not taking this on a ferry before. It'd be quite interesting. But we're not getting on the ferry tonight. We're not getting on the ferry tomorrow. We don't actually take the ferry till Sunday morning.
Fair enough.
Let's have a little look around this CL. Well, the entrance is off this rural road. There's a bit of a road closure at the moment, but you can get through from the other way. You're supposed to approach the way I'm walking now, but we came from down that way. It's a very well manicured little site with a nice big hard standing approach road. Got the bins there, chemical toilet emptying point. We've got this really lovely little facilities block. It's actually got a washing machine so you could do some laundry and some nice campers washing up areas. Very luxurious bogs. And look at this splendid shower area. That's fantastic. And on the outside of the facilities block, you've got the drinking water tap. And all of the pitches are nice level hard standing pitches, and we do have electric hookup. Well, the evening's getting on a little bit. It's 20 to 8 now. It's nice we're getting the longer evenings. And we're just coming out for a bit of a stroll, a bit of a stretch of our legs. It's a shame we're not going to have time to explore much around this area because we're going to get going first thing in the morning because we've got another stop tomorrow night before we catch the ferry. And yeah, it's just lovely to be away again. There are indeed some beautiful views from round here. You all right, darling?
Now I'm putting the ridge monkey back together again.
You always struggle putting a ridge monkey back together, don't you?
Well, it's a very good tool, but it messes with my brain.
You've got a bit of a thing about it, haven't you?
I have.
Yeah. Anyway, what did you think to our one night stay at the Luzlow Caravan site?
It's absolutely lovely.
It's a lovely site. Nice facilities too, isn't it?
Yeah, you said there was a beauty salon here. You didn't tell me before we got here.
They do eyebrows here, don't they?
Oh.
There's a sign at the gate anyway. I haven't had mine done.
You haven't?
No.
Right. I haven't really got enough to do, so I was hoping I would have had some other treat or other, but
yeah.
Hey, I don't know. I haven't looked up yet.
But we've paid £20 for the night stay here, haven't we? And yeah, I think it's pretty good value. We've got the power, we've got hard standing, we've got the lovely little facilities block.
Wow, the facilities block is lovely. It's got a lovely shower, you've got a washing machine. And I noticed that if you use the washing machine, and if anyone is interested, they donate the proceeds towards the dog charity.
Yeah, it's a donation, isn't it, for use of the washing machine? Yeah, rather than a metered thing, we have to find coins.
But they do it for charity as well, which is really
brilliant. Yeah, and it's handy for Stoke. I mean, I think you probably would need a car. I haven't noticed any public transport links, or maybe you could cycle into some local attractions. I haven't really checked out what's in the area because we're here such a short amount of time, but would like to come back to Stoke at some point, have a look around the potteries and stuff.
You met the lady who owns it last night. She was really nice.
Yeah, she was nice. Yeah. So yeah, fantastic little CL. And we're about to hit the road for the next leg of the journey of our Ireland tour.
Now I've got the ridge monkey in the drawer.